So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of data and some filters over here as well. Besides these filters, like the drop-down filters, you can also add in fixed size list. So to do that, let me just go around and then delete these filters out right here. And to access out fixed size list, you need to go to add a control right here. And here you can see fixed size list is an option. You can click around over here and now you can see the fixed size from all the control field as you can see. So right now I have the exact control field that I need, but if you want others, you can drag that in over here as well. So you can drag in price over here instead of control as well. But I'm just going to go around and add in console itself. And this is interactive. So if you were to click on this, the data acts accordingly. You can go around and click on view, and then you can see that this is the view mode right here. So let's say I just want to view data of these two items right here. Then you see it accordingly getting updated in all of the fields, that is all of the charts right here. You can also go around, click on only to filter it out into a particular item. You can go around and type in, let's say for example, Xbox right here, and it shows up that data over here as well, and you can select it out. And that is how you can work around with fixed size list inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.